You guys are goofy.
Did he get it?
I swear, y'all got the coolest house ever.
Survivor.
No, but I'm videotaping you. And it's straight on YouTube, guys.
Once we win money, we get half.
Man, it was better.
Oh, man. If you guys are going to be putting hats on like this is
Well, I got
hilarious.
another one right here.
Hey, that saved you from Sun King.
Number one dad. Big oldest child. How the fuck you like me now?
Oh,
Man, my hair got stuck in.
That hair kind of shrunk. We'll have to get that one in. We'll have to give that one an inlet. Oh, look there.
Oh. She even says, "Get that shit off of me."
Look, she's like, I don't want to look. No.
She don't want that. She ain't goofy.
Oh, no, that actually was really cute on you.
It's like, nope, nope, nope. Let's grab that off.
Want to see? Want to see?